So today, December 27, 2024, we're doing our final shoot for the year. Samahan nyo kami sa aming shoot. Tara, let's go! May parking tayo! Yan ang pinakamahirap sa shoot parking. Kaya sobrang thankful kami today na binigyan tayo ng parking. As in, laking tulong yan. Kaya tara, let's go! Doon ni Rosales, napaka-big time naman. Hello!
Saan yung dadalhin yan? Kayo talaga, alam ko magaling na kayo.
Lalaking lalaki, Mark
Kasi stress.
Last shoot for 2024. Thank you, everyone.